Welcome to the video tutorial of Greencloud VPS. Today, we will show you how to run Docker on Windows Server 2019 and 2022. The first step is to enable the Windows Server Containers feature. Now, open Windows PowerShell as an administrator. Run the following commands to install the Docker Microsoft provider. Accept by pressing the Y key on your keyboard. You must restart the computer, or do it manually. After the system has rebooted, continue to run PowerShell as an administrator. Next, run the following command. When prompted for the new Get installation, type Y and hit Enter. Next, run the following command to install the latest Docker version. Then, to manually start the service, run the following command. And to stop Docker service execution, run the following command. Start the Docker daemon before you start running and managing Docker containers. Next, check the Docker service status. Then, let's download the Windows Server core image. After that, we can create a new container from the pulled image. In an elevated PowerShell session, switch to the root directory and create a new folder by entering the following command. In the same PowerShell session, create the Docker file and edit it by entering the following command. In the Notepad text editor, enter the following lines and then save and close the Docker file. Return to PowerShell, create an HTML file, and edit it by entering the following. In the Notepad text editor, enter the following 3 lines and then save and close the index file. Back in PowerShell, run the following command. Wait for the image to download from the Microsoft Container Registry, then type the following command. You should now see the downloaded image. To finally run a container using the downloaded image template, go back to PowerShell and run the following command. Now, open a web browser on the host and browse to your local host. You should see the sample HTML web page created earlier.